everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are just joining me, my name is Jason, and as you can tell from my intro, I do unboxings. And in today's video, we are going to unbox my first Gerard Cosmetics mystery box. So if you're not familiar with Gerard Cosmetics mystery boxes, they had 3 mystery boxes available this holiday for the Thanksgiving holiday, and I ended up getting the basically the lowest price one for these mystery boxes. I don't recall, I want to say it was like $39, but I will double check and put it in the description below. And before we get started, I just want to give everybody a heads up. I am wearing press-ons for the first time, so if I'm handling things a little strangely, it's because I'm just getting used to these. They're not you know, extra long or anything, but they're definitely longer than what I'm used to, and I'm still a little paranoid that I'm gonna end up popping them off. So if I'm handling things too daintily, that's why. Anyway, the Gerard Cosmetics mystery box came in this black box here, and when we open it up, the inside is gonna look like this. So let's see, and it has like a baby powder smell to it as I open it up, so I don't know if there's anything in here that's got like a baby powder scent to it, but when I pull the paper up, these are the items that are in the box. Now, I've tried a couple Gerard Cosmetics. I do like their products. I have not tried any of their lipsticks, and I was told that they have really good lipsticks, so I'm excited to see what I get in this box. And I actually, not knowing what I would get in this box, I've gone ahead and ordered a few lipsticks on my own just to see what those are like. So I haven't gotten those yet, but when I get those, I might do a video on that as well. But let's go ahead and just start taking, let's see, looks like there's a, well, I'll pull that out last because I can't get to it. Anyway, all right. First product in here, it looks like Supreme Lip Cream. And let's see if I can tell what color it is. Electric Rose. Okay, so Supreme Lip Cream in Electric Rose. Let's see if I can get these. Hoo-hoo, this is gonna be fun trying to get these open. All right. I think that I put enough of the glue on. We'll see. Wow, that is pink. So that is probably not going to be used by me. I tend to prefer like the nudes more than like a bright pink, so that's probably going to be set aside for a future giveaway. But glad to get one of those. Let's see what else we got in here. This looks like, okay, Brow Bar to Go. And let's see, does this have, I don't know if it's got, oh, it just says Brow Bar to Go, medium ebony. Medium ebony. So let's see if I can get this open. Let's see, let's use my little knife here. Yep, that'll work. And Brow Bar to Go. Okay, it's got a nice little mirror in it. Let's see here. I've actually never used like a brow bar like this, so I don't know what the lighter color is gonna be for. I'm assuming it's for maybe like underneath, to highlight underneath, but I don't know. But the other 2 colors look like they might work, so I'll give it a try, see what I think. I do sometimes use product on my brows. So I am excited to get this and try this. I don't know prices off the top of my head. What I can do is I can try to look them up on Gerard Cosmetics website. And if it's easy enough to find, I will put the prices up in the video above or in the description below. So, let's see. Next one is, looks like it might be a bullet lipstick. And this is in Enchanté. Or is it enchant? Maybe I'm trying to be too fancy. I don't know. It's probably enchant, and I'm trying to be extra fancy. So let's see what this color looks like. Yeah, it is a bullet lipstick. Okay, so just a bullet lipstick, and let's see what this. Oh. Okay, well, it's on the darker side, but it might work. I might hold on to that and see if that is too dark for me or not. But I'm happy to get that. I think I have one other bullet lipstick, and it's from Besame Cosmetics. It's from their I Love Lucy collection. So this will be nice to try, but I like that color. So that is item number 2. Let's see what the next item in here is going to be. This is, okay, so I do actually have, this is the Slay All Day setting spray, and I do have Gerard Cosmetics setting spray. So let's see what this, oh, this is Jasmine. I don't think I'm going to like the scent of this because I'm not a floral person. I like, you know, like obviously fresh jasmine scent, but I don't like artificial floral scents. That's actually not too bad. All right, well, I think I'm gonna hold on to that too because that's actually not a bad scent. And I have heard, I've not really used the setting spray too much, but I've really heard good things about their setting sprays. So let's go ahead and look at their last product. It looks like it might be a lip pencil. So we've got a lip pencil as their last product here. And let's go ahead and open that. I think I've got one other lip pencil, so this is good to have, even though I don't do a lot of like lip liner. Looks like it's gonna be close to that color of the bullet lipstick. So let's see. And that is the color. Okay, well, I'll hold on to that. I just realized that I'm filming and I don't have my ring light on. Of course, now it doesn't really matter that I've finished opening all the products in the box. So, all right, that's that lip liner. I am pretty impressed with this mystery box. For the price, it seems that they gave you a good variety of items. We've got the lip liner, we've got the lip bullet, we've got the setting spray. We have got, what else do we have here? We've got the brow bar, and then we've got the, was it a cream? Yeah, so we've got the Lip Supreme Cream. So it was a good variety, I think. Not bad for mystery box. I think what I'll be giving away out of this is probably that Supreme Lip Cream, just because it was so pink and I can't see myself wearing that. But the rest of it, I'll give it a try. All right, I am happy with that box. Let me know what you guys think of the box down below in the comments. Now, just as a little add-on to this, I wanted to quickly, I was gonna do another video with this, but I was waiting for another product to arrive so that I can combine the two and do the video together, but the product is gonna come so late, and I wanted to go ahead and share this new product that I got. I am a Star Wars fan, and if you have seen one of my previous videos, which I'll link below, I ended up getting the Colourpop Baby Yoda, or the child eyeshadow palette. So I did a video with that, and then I found on Lunchbox.com, I believe, they had the child brush set. So this is what I went ahead and ordered off Lunchbox, and this is really adorable. And it's a little brush set, so let's get into this. I had ordered from another site a Christmas sweater with the child on it, and it's taking a little bit longer because it's coming from the United Kingdom, so I just didn't want to wait for that to come. But let's pull this out. This is absolutely adorable. It's like a plastic, so it's not like a ceramic or anything, but the detail on, I believe, I don't know if I should give away his name, but if you are not familiar, if you've not caught up with The Mandalorian, I won't give the name away in the video, but the child does have a name now. So I don't know if he'll be referred to continuously as the child, or if people will start to refer to him as his actual name. So again, no spoilers. I don't want to give away the name for those of you that have not maybe watched the latest Mandalorian. So, but these these brushes all have, I don't know if you can see that. Let me actually turn the light on and see if that shows up better. And whew. All right, let's see if that's any better. It might be too bright, but there we go. So it's cute. It's got the child all over it. Oh, that's really soft. That's super soft. I don't know. I'm assuming it's synthetic hair. Yeah, but and I'm not really familiar with which brush does what application, but this is kind of tapered, so I would assume maybe some kind of highlighter or contour. And then the rest look like they're eye brushes. So but you've got all the brushes there. So I think that is a cute set, and I'm happy to get this and happy to be able to use it with the child eyeshadow palette. All right, so that's gonna do it for this video. I do have a couple more videos that I'm gonna be filming and uploading, so keep an eye out for those. But other than that, let me know what you thought of Gerard Cosmetics Mystery Box, and let me know what you thought of the child brush set. All right, I hope everybody is staying happy, staying healthy, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.